wildest imagination, you don't hope that they would happen. And I'm going to describe some of those incidents shortly. But first of all, let me start by thanking you very sincerely from the bottom of my heart. The leaders who have put this up, Miriam, Rispa, Vincent. You know, Heb, when you were speaking here, I was telling Ambassador, you're actually expecting the wrong candidate. The candidate is here. And all of you wonderful people. You've received us very well since we arrived here last night. And we've had a good time. Many of you, we have been communicating a good part of the last 1 or 2 months. I've come to know a lot of you because of this and a lot of Kenyans who live in the US. I'm also very grateful to see all of you here. There are some of you I'm seeing for the first time after so many years. For obvious reasons that, you know, some of you, when we parted after school, you came to the US to pursue your studies and then you ended up taking up jobs here. We have been corresponding once in a while, but we've never had the opportunity to meet face to face. Some of you are people we grew up with. We worshipped in church, like this wonderful mama here, together for a long time at Nairobi South Church. And some of you grew up with me in the village where I grew up, like that wonderful lady there and so on. And now, God has provided this opportunity for us to meet here. I am humbled by the reception and the interest that you have shown. The numerous pieces of advice I have received from you as we have kept communicating in the last 2 or 3 months. The interest for all of you to turn up here this afternoon. A good number of you have even seen someone here I worked with at the University of Nairobi some time back. So this is a good way of meeting people and so on. But I'm even more grateful that all of us who are here and Kenyans who are here are making good use of our time in the US. We are not wasting our time around. We are doing great stuff. People are doing investments and moving their life forward. So let's go to this evening's meeting. I have been agonizing about this for the last 2 weeks.